following.
And it's hard. It's hard.
I'm following Nicole. Nicole's air conditioning. Let me tell you about Nicole. She's in the. It's a good song. Nicole is this little lady, probably 5 feet tall, and she puts in central air conditioning units. And she put ours in, 5-ton unit. She is known in our city, a stellar reputation. She knows what she's doing. It's really bizarre that a little woman, I mean, we just don't normally think of someone so, she's not a big person, and I think she's got to be in her 60s, and she's driving her van. I can call her tonight and she'll come over and fix my air conditioning, and that's her reputation in the whole city. She's a wonderful woman, wonderful person. She helps, I think she employs people that need a break, if you know what I mean? I think. I'm going to get our mail. Because we're still out of the house for the next month. And then I'm going to hit some golf balls, go play tennis. About 103 degrees. I had a heart rate of 38 this weekend. That's Nicole. See if she'll wave to me. No. She met my mom, because we got our air in about 4 years ago. And she put a brand new 5-ton 17 SEER unit in our home, and it works great. It's hot out there, folks. Got a lot of rain yesterday, finally, but we need a lot more.
Something told me it was over. When I saw you and you walking.
I think I figured out my driver.
Something deep.
I had this awful slice, and I watch YouTube, and I came out today, made the correction, and the slice is gone. In fact, now it's kind of a draw. It's a pretty shot. It's about 220 yards. Not a big hitter, but straight. But I've only been playing hitting balls for a couple of months. So as I practice, tennis is still my number one passion. I hit today this morning with Mike, indoor in Plano, and tonight at 7:30 I'm hitting at Lifetime Frisco with Zambito. He's a big hitter, big left-handed hitter. You know, that one rain yesterday, it made a difference in the grass. Our house is empty.
See, I love you so
The
much.
floors go in next week. Things start coming this week. Tiles and wood. The demo's almost complete.
Most of all, I just don't wanna be free. Now listen, baby. I was
Anyway, that was Nicole.
thinking,
Amazon guy. He's hot.
girl,
It's hard work.
kiss and your warm embrace.
See our dumpster up here, out here. It's all, I think it's full. Greg's gonna have to get another one, or at least a trailer. I gotta get the mail. That's the house. That's gonna be the way we want it. Not cheap, over about $125,000, but that's what we want. I'll die in that home. That's all she wrote for me. All right.